G'day, this is the last key idea I wanted to go through for this 4.11 section. I've done key idea 1 and 2 before, and key idea 3, short little video, so go quick. Just about ratio. Ratio compares the parts that you might be looking at. So we've done a lot of things where we compare how did I go out of the total thing. Ratio compares parts. So a little bit extra. I'm going back to my jelly beans. I've got 10 out of 18 that were pink. Jelly beans as a fraction, 10 over 18, done, finished. I'm now going to turn that to a percent, right, from the information that I've been given. So we need 100%. I have my fraction already, 10 out of 18, timesing that by the 100. Simplify while you can, if you can. So let's have a look. 2 goes into that 5, 2 goes into that 9. Okay, so that's alright, we've done that part. We've done this, and you'll say, hang on, I've done this before. Calculate that percent, well that's the 500, I'll move it down here. 500 over 9. I need to do all that working out. If you watched one of the earlier videos, you'd know. This works out to 55.5%. So I've done that. Pink jelly beans are 55.5% of the whole amount of jelly beans that I have. So that's a short thing to look at. Here in your textbook, it comes in this section here. A glass of cordial is 1 part syrup to 9 parts water. Express the amount of syrup as a fraction of the total. Okay, the fraction was 1 part syrup. Altogether there were 10 parts. You just add the 1 and the 9 up. So that's the whole total. The next thing says express the amount of water as a percentage. So, well, the water was the other. It was 9 parts out of 10. And then we did the times 100 over 1. And then you work that out to 90%. So those ones should be nice and short. Ask me if you need any help with those ones. They're a real practice thing to do as well. Same things we've been doing. Keep on practicing. You left part of the jelly beans out. What about the other jelly beans? 10 were pink. And there must have been some others to be 18 jelly beans. Alright, well, you would work that out the same way you normally would. 18 minus 10, well, there's 8 other jelly beans. So I had 10 pink ones, and I had 8 other ones to be my 18. I've done my working out for the pink, so that's done. I do my working out for the 8 jelly beans. First of all, put it as a fraction. Well, that's going to be 8 out of 18. Fraction parts done. I'll move along here to have a little bit of space. Now I'm turning that to a percent, so I need the 8 out of 18 times that by, well, we're doing percent, which is the 100%, 100 over 1. Now, can I do some simplifying? Yes, let's do some of that. Divide that by 2 is 4, divide that by 2 is 9. Okay, no other simplifying to do, so multiply. That will be 400 over 9. Got to do some calculating here, so let's squeeze it in. 400 divided by 9. 9 into 4 doesn't go. 9 into 40. 9 4 is the 36. 4 left over. 9 into 40 doesn't go, but there's 4. 4 left over. That'll be a 0.4. That's going to continue on. I end up with 44.4%. Now that one's a recurring, so it keeps on going and going. Our earlier one, with our 55, was 5555, which kept on going. Little check for this one. If I put my 44.4 and my 55.5 together, that's a 9. Oops, sorry, that didn't go. A 9 and a 9. 99.9%. That's the way to check it. I add those two things up. Now it's not quite accurate because these things recurred and didn't quite finish off. We rounded them off. So that was the last part about ratios, finding both parts